You must encourage yourself. It is paramount. It's too important. It's vital. See, if you don't hype yourself up, boost yourself up, encourage yourself, no one's going to do it for you. This is your job. And here on the planet, negative thoughts seem to spring up almost automatically from nowhere. We all experience this. That means you must be on your job to encourage yourself, talk to yourself, talk to the subconscious. It's listening to you. Give the subconscious commands. Tell the subconscious how successful you are, how rich you are, how healthy and strong you are, even if you aren't. Yeah, even if you aren't. Talk to it as if it is already so, and it will become so. See, this life is constantly responding to how you feel about yourself. Well, that changes when you tell yourself how to feel. I feel amazing. I feel rich. I feel successful. I feel prosperous. I feel awesome. Awesome things are happening. I noticed something. People don't like thinking for themselves. People like following the crowds. And if you follow the crowd and do what the crowd is doing and thinking how the crowd is thinking, you end up manifesting what the crowd is manifesting, which is very, very dangerous. Remember this. When the public is going left, you want to go right. If they're going down, you want to go up. Don't follow the crowd. Don't follow the sheep. Don't do it. It will always lead to your demise. Don't do it. So basically stating, you must be brave. You got to be brave enough to stand on your own. Brave enough to take the leap. Brave enough to think for yourself. Brave enough to take action for yourself. Brave enough to call yourself successful. Brave enough to call yourself rich, even if you aren't. It takes bravery, but boy, it pays off. I'm telling you, it pays off well. See, from a young age, we were taught not to really trust yourself. Don't trust yourself. And that leads to self-doubt. I don't doubt myself. Only because I believe in the God in me. See, I believe Source or God is in all of us. Not just some of us. Not in the church. It's in you. You have the power to create worlds. You have the power to create realities. It's within you already. But fear stops you. Doubt stops you. Doubt is a cousin of fear. We don't entertain doubtful thoughts. We don't entertain fearful thoughts because fear leads to more fear. Fear attracts more fear. Doubt attracts more doubt. This is why you got to be brave. Because here on the planet, it's easy to be negative. It's not always easy to be positive. You need mental strength, mental fortitude, resilience. I dare you to call yourself what you want to be. I dare you to call yourself what you want to be now. See, a lot of people think of this as being delusional. Every successful person that I have met, from millionaires to billionaires, all have a certain level of delusion. You got to pull it out of you. Who cares what the public believes? Who cares what the public thinks about you? You are a piece of God having a human experience. Act accordingly. I love y'all. This is Justin.